Okay, so this DIY project was taking the snowblower off. I want to point out a couple of things. Huge. First of all, set your deck leveling gauge. This is on the X300 model to down as low as it'll go. Then you pull this foot pedal back and lock it up into place. Okay? Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time getting any of this done. You're going to have to do this too. Remember this when you put your mower deck on. You've got to be able to pull that foot lever up, lock it into place. That kind of lowers everything as far as it can. Now, this is how I put everything away for the year. I was going to do it on the driveway, and then I'd have to move it around with the forklift and yada yada. But I did it right in back of my woodshed here. And so I took the blower off. I've got that up off the ground a little bit. I took the soft side cover off, and I'm setting that right here. Here's that one piece that goes from there onto the tractor. So everything is here laid out so I know where it is for next fall. All right, except the cover. I'm going to put that in a tote so the animals don't chew it up. I've even got the chains in the order that I took them off. Right tire, left tire. All set, all ready to go back on next fall. It was a great little unit. The 2 times I got to use it this winter. And that was it. So with that, hit that like and subscribe button. Big thing to remember is to set that mower deck setting down to 0, pull that lever back. That's going to release all the tensions along the way so you can easily take this stuff off, you know. So it's a cool little setup. You can watch my video on how to put it on next fall. So hit the like and subscribe button, and on to the next project. Guess what that's going to be? Putting the mower deck on today. Then I want to get this yard done, the yard at home. I'm hoping to go down and take care of our rental on Friday if weather cooperates, and maybe even in town today or tomorrow. So we'll talk about that at another point in time. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.